Tired of your messy room being the star of every Teams meeting? Let's fix that. First, click on your profile picture or initials located at the top right corner of your Teams window. This opens up a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open the Settings panel, where you can customize various aspects of your Teams experience. In the Settings panel, navigate to the Devices tab, then scroll down until you see Background, Effects, and click on it. Now you'll see a range of pre-designed backgrounds to choose from. You can also select Blur to simply blur your existing background, which is a great way to maintain privacy. To upload your own custom image, click on the Add New button. This will allow you to select an image from your computer. Make sure it's a high-quality image for the best results. Once you've selected a background, it will appear in the preview window. You can then click Apply and turn on video to use it immediately in your current meeting or any future meetings. And that's it. Now you can present with confidence and maintain a professional look. No matter where you're working from, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Teams tips.